Hello guys. Oh, sorry. So today we will discuss how these masks work and what is inside them. So let's get started. All right. So this is the mask. I purchased it a long ago. I didn't know the COVID-19 was coming. Basically, masks are made of special cloths, and then there is this white box. How these masks work basically, when you put it on your mouth and you breathe in, they intake the air from this cloth, not from this thing. Let's talk about this thing first. So most people think that this thing is some kind of filter and it is responsible to filter out, but no, it is not a filter. Actually it is only a valve, and what this does is that when someone breathes out, this thing will open from the pressure of the air, and all the carbon dioxide releases from here. Okay, and when someone exhales, this valve closes. You can see that it is a very snug fit, so it seals tight from here, and all the oxygen we intake will go through this cloth only. So this is not a filter, okay, this is only a valve, and all the filtering thing will be done by these cloth.
Alright, so let me just open it and see what is inside this box.
All right, so it is open now. So you can see this is only a covering for this valve, and this is a very thin rubber type material. So now let's talk about this cloth. This is not an ordinary cloth. Okay, let's see, let's cut it out and see what is inside. So this is a cross section of the mask. As you can see, there are 3 layers here. Okay, there are 2 outer layers and there is another layer in between them. This is the main stuff, guys. So what this white cloth do, this is the main filter, and this filters out all the things. Okay, it is somewhat like cotton, but a synthetic cotton.
This stuff is even used in the very big bulky respirator masks. So I hope you know what to look for when you are purchasing a new mask. I know this video is very late, sorry for that. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.